It's all about me. My name is Enna Utrika. I am studied in UKG Child Preschool. I live in Girugapakam, Chennai. My favorite color pink. My favorite food buri. My favorite fruit pineapple. My favorite storybook Alice in Wonderland. My favorite pet lily fish. My hobbies are drawing and coloring. I want to be a doctor. When